Hey there, it's Clay with modernlove.life, and this is Relationship Inner Game. Now today we're going to be talking about what to say to get your ex back. Now, as you know, we've been going through the 5 stages of getting back together on this video series, okay? And up until this point, we've talked about the first 4 stages of getting back together. We've talked about the wall of reactance, the test drive stage, riding the dragon, and the crisis point. We've gone over all of these, and we've gone over the theory of reactance and all of that stuff. I'm not gonna beat this to death. If this is like new to you, you've just stumbled on this video or something like that, go back and watch those videos before you continue on with this one so that it will make sense, okay? But here is how you know what to say to get back together with your ex. First of all, you must make sure that you are in the 5th stage of getting back together with your ex. You have to be at this stage, otherwise everything that I'm going to tell you will not work. I repeat, it will not work if you are not in the 5th stage of getting back together. If your ex is not at the 5th stage, which we call new beginnings, what I'm going to tell you will not work. Okay, so you've gone through the first 4 stages. You've really decreased your ex's level of emotional reactance towards you. You've increased their positive emotions towards you. There's almost no reactance left at this point. There are very high levels of emotional connection because you've worked on the advanced relational skills. You've worked on connecting with your ex in a very substantial, meaningful way. This is all great and good, but at this point you still might not be back together with them. And the reason for that is because there could be some small little concerns that are keeping the two of you apart. So for example, maybe your ex doesn't really believe that this is the real you. It seems too good to be true. Maybe they're not sure if they can trust you, that if the two of you get back together, you're not just gonna slip back into the old habits and things that caused the breakup in the first place. And so what you want to do is when you're having a good interaction with them, when you're having some time together, when you're spending time together, when you're out on a date or something like that, what you want to do is you want to tell them, hey, I've noticed that it's been really nice interacting with you and spending time with you over the past couple of weeks, months, whatever. I was wondering if you'd ever thought about getting back together with me. And they'll probably say, yeah, I sometimes think about that. And you say, yeah, me too. And I was wondering, would you like to give our relationship another shot? And at that point, they might bring up any kinds of hesitations or concerns or reasons not to get back together. And this probably won't be anything major or dramatic because you've already gone through the other 5 stages of getting back together, okay? And so what happens at this point is you're engaging in what we call a commitment collaboration exercise or a commitment collaboration talk with your ex. And what's happening is the two of you are going to, number 1, agree that the two of you have been getting along pretty well with one another. And then number 2, you're going to be actually having a dialogue about how you can make things work in the long run, okay? This is all stuff that we absolutely lay out in our trainings. But yeah, this would be something that you do at the 5th stage of getting back together, once you're sure your ex is at that 5th stage. That is what you say to get back together with your ex. Now, in terms of really overcoming any obstacles and hurdles that might be standing in the way from your ex being at that 5th stage of getting back together, then you're gonna need to go over to our website, Relationship Inner Game, if you're on YouTube. Again, that's down below in the description for this video. And you're just gonna go ahead and sign up for our email newsletter so that we can send you some tips, advice, and strategies to help you get to that 5th stage where you can have the commitment collaboration talk with your ex, okay? If you're already on our newsletter and you're seeing this on our website, modernlove.life, go ahead and click the link down below this video where we will tell you more about the advanced relational skills to get you to that point where you can have the commitment collaboration talk with your ex. But you do not want to do this prematurely. If you do this prematurely, it will backfire on you. I've seen this so many times. Please do not do this unless you are certain you are at the 5th stage of getting back together. For extra tips, advice, and strategies, go down below. And if you want to leave a comment, please do so, letting me know what types of videos and what types of content you would most like to see moving forward. Anyway, this has been Clay with modernlove.life. This has been Relationship Inner Game, and I'll talk to you next time.